Understanding past perfect continuous tense. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting and educational episode of Grammar with Altaf. In today's lesson, we're going to learn all about the past perfect continuous tense, what it is, how to use it correctly, and where it's needed in your English communication.
Hi, learners. Yes, you heard it right. Today we'll explore a tense that helps us talk about actions that were happening over a period of time before another action in the past. If you've ever wondered how to say things like, "I had been studying English for 2 hours before dinner," this lesson is for you.
Let's start with the definition of the past perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an action that began in the past, continued for a certain period, and ended before another action or time in the past.
Exactly. The structure of this tense is subject plus had been plus present participle, verb plusing, plus time reference optional. For example, she had been working at that company for 5 years before she got promoted. They had been living in Lahore before they moved to Karachi.
Let's break that structure down with an example. Suppose the sentence is, I had been reading a book for 2 hours before my friend called me. Here, had been reading shows the action that was in progress before the phone call, and for 2 hours is the time duration of the action.
Now let's talk about when to use the past perfect continuous tense. We use it to show the duration of an action that was happening before another action in the past, to focus on the process or the length of time of an action, not just the completion.
That's an important point. If we just say, I had read the book, we are focusing on the completion of the action. But if we say, I had been reading the book, we are focusing on the process that the action was happening over a period of time before something else happened.
Let me share a few more examples to make it clearer. By the time the class started, the students had been waiting for 30 minutes. He had been playing cricket before it started raining. We had been watching a movie before the power.
Now let's talk about questions and negative sentences in past perfect continuous. For questions, we use had plus subject plus been plus verbing plus rest of the sentence. Example, had she been cooking before they arrived? Had you been working there for a long time?
And for negative sentences, we use subject plus had not been plus verbing plus rest of the sentence. Examples. I had not been sleeping well for a few days before I visited the doctor. They had not been studying for the exam when the teacher checked.
Let's do a small quiz. Altaf. I'll say a sentence and you tell me if it is in past perfect continuous or not. Ready? The children had been playing outside when it started to rain.
Yes, that's correct. It's in the past perfect continuous tense. Had been playing is the correct verb form.
Good. How about this one? She had cooked dinner before I came.
That sentence is in the past perfect tense, not past perfect continuous. It focuses on the completed action had cooked, not the process or duration.
Exactly. That's the key difference. Past perfect continuous is about what was happening over a period of time before something else. Past perfect is just about what happened before something else.
Now let's look at some time expressions commonly used with this tense. For, since, before, when, by the time. Examples. She had been sleeping for 3 hours before the baby cried. He had been working since morning when the boss arrived. By the time I reached the station, the train had already left.
Altaf, can you help learners understand the difference between past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous?
Sure. Present perfect continuous. Action started in the past and is still continuing now. Example: I have been studying for 3 hours. I am still studying. Past perfect continuous. Action started in the past and was completed before another past action. Example: I had been studying for 3 hours before I took a break.
Very well explained. Now, let's talk a bit about common mistakes learners make with this tense.
Yes, learners often confuse this tense with present perfect continuous or use it without a clear past reference. Also, they forget to add been, which is essential in this tense. For example, saying he had working instead of he had been working is incorrect.
Another mistake is using the wrong form of the verb. Always remember the verb must be in ing form after had been. For instance, they had been play is incorrect. It should be they had been playing.
Here's a simple trick to master this tense. Step 1. Think about the two past actions. Step 2. Identify which one started earlier and continued. Step 3. Use had been plus verbing for that longer ongoing action.
Let's wrap it up now. Altaf, can you summarize what we've learned today?
Of course. In today's video, we learned about the past perfect continuous tense, how to form it, when to use it, and how to avoid common mistakes. We understood its structure. Subject plus had been plus verbing, how it's used to talk about actions that were happening over time before another past action, and we practiced examples with questions, negatives, and time expressions.
Perfect summary. Thank you for watching today's video on Grammar with Altaf. We hope this lesson helped you understand the past perfect continuous tense clearly and easily.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to Grammar with Altaf for more easy and useful grammar lessons.
See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now.
Take care and happy learning.